Hey guys, from the Art of Healthy Dads, my name is Paul.
I'm Daniel. Great to meet you here. Thanks for joining our powerful group of dads, trying our best to dial in our health and nutrition. Thanks for all the comments, all the likes, and being active in the group. This is just the beginning, and we can't wait to just share what's in store for you over the journey.
And the power of this group and this community really is what you guys are contributing to it and holding each other up for a common goal, which is to be healthy, committed to just being the best versions of yourself. So thank you once again. We thought we'd actually open up the conversation to just, I suppose, explore a different topic every now and again. And the first topic that we're going to discuss today is something we hear a lot from our clients, and that is a lack of time and I suppose challenges associated with time and when people and dads can actually train themselves and devote that time to their health.
Yeah, so in terms of time management, one solution I found that was really helpful for me and my wife is each Sunday night coming together and just looking at the week ahead and seeing how we can plan it in a way where we're both looking after ourselves, which usually means one of us are at home being with our daughter while one of us is going out, maybe going for a run, doing a training session, doing a class. But we map it out a week in advance so we each know that this is dedicated time for self-preservation, self-care, and we're both there to nurture and support each other. And because it's being done a week in advance, we know how to schedule our day around it.
And that's a great little strategy that seems simple, but really it just requires a little bit of a mindset and a buy-in from both parties to be able to participate in it. And another great thing that I've found really when it comes to allocating time to yourself is just waking up half an hour earlier. Even if you are an early riser or you need to wake up early for work, I need to wake up early in the morning, and I've decided recently to wake up an extra half an hour earlier just to give time to myself to do whatever rituals that I've decided to do to be able to add to who I am as an individual so I can give more to my family.
Yeah, and really this is what this group's about, is how to take care of ourselves so we can really contribute and give to our loved ones. And we also really appreciate that, we need support too, and that's why we built this platform, the Art of Healthy Dads, to support each other, to share what's working, share some of the challenges, but also always look at what the solutions are. And that's what Paul and I aim to provide with these short videos. We'll do some workouts too that can be done at home or at your office. There's lots more in store, and we'd love to hear from you about what you want from us and how we can contribute to you. So feel free to use this platform to comment, ask questions, and we're just going to hit you back up as soon as we see it, because our dedication and this service is to really support and guide busy dads to living a healthy life.
Thank you once again. And if you want more guidance and if you want a resource that you can really explore more about your position as a father and how you can better be equipped to give to yourself, jump on hero.cm/training. That will just be a really, really in-depth presentation about what it is that you can do to be able to, I suppose, nourish yourself so you can give to those around you.
All right, guys, great to be here with you and look forward to hearing from you.
Thanks so much.
Cheers from Melbourne.